Chisngi hadian baladon kejing kiwen ba kejing syakta ke syongsuk syongsan ha ke shnong mai khuli ha ke distrik ribhoi ke shnong ke bamal khap ag jela asam nakaliang ginong mikmat badai pej ke peace committee jong ka maglaya bat asam kilala ban penbet no ke jing ya kan at bat ban ya soiru ya ke sekolah ha pring ginong syong shnong nakaliang ka asam bat ka mai khuli leng ba ke jing yalang ke balalong ha ke artrik uno opra arhajar arpusan ha ke shnong mai khuli La ban pekan mahong ni bahag kamiat jo kalai putrik unai wieng la kenok beladon kato kanungut kibriau nak liang ka asam ki balalit ban pendam big jing thon mau balatai ban pen pau ke jing tei ne skim MGNREGA jo ke snong mai khuli ke badon ka pungri do kha jo ke snong ta do bakalami ke jing kan at bat ke jing sho ya dat apne ginong snong ka mai khuli bat jong kaliang ke ban asam ha ka ban kaliang ki bor penyat ka megalaya bat asam kila phas non de ki pulet bat ki majestor ban paharah ke snong kenang bantem ya kano kajing ya senam. Halor kene kajing ja kabala pencong siir kinong syong shnong kamai khuli. Na kaliang UMLA ke jirang uba deiru menteri ke sarkar jela uba sustenis sotun. Ulashim kia marmar ban batha ki bor penyat distrik ribhoi lambat ki bor pulet ban penbet no mardor ya kene kajing ya kanat kenang meniada na kino kajing ja ke basngosi. Ha ka bagi bor bedai kemi iru ya ka peace committee jong bro artli gejela ilalet ban penbet ya kene kejeng kan ar. Ya kene kejeng kan penyesok apa yang ginong shnong ka mai khuli ban nakliang ka asam leng ba ka peace committee dalam kemat do ba Eric Dekar u magistrate na ka distrik Ribhoi ka ban asam lami kemat do Topash Saikia u Nicholas Marak urang ba shnong ka mai khuli ki kenhun sang bhalang na Meglaya bat asam kumjo ru barok ginong shnong na mai khuli. Lengba kene ke jingyalang bane penbet yalor ki kenrum kenram ke belakta ke syongsuk syongsan tang namar ke jingdon jong ki riu shim kabu banwara ke jing soye pher jingmot bar ke jingkan at apne ki dok syongshnong ha kene ke than kapot nakaliang ki nong mi khmat jong ke peace committee klarai ban pha e soye ke saskular apne ki dok syongshnong bat ki nong elam shnong ban pentikna ba kum gi jingja kin om jasho hadien habot Nalor ke jingya soy saskular ban pene ke syongsuk syongsan hakene ke jingyalang la aila ru ban penyang biang yo pos elektrik bala syak pen khalam hakikat tu kene benai ke belalit no ban thok biang ki dak hau monong rem ban pen pau ya ke jing tei leng ba ke skim MGNREGA hau monong rem bala syak pendam ki riu shem kabu Nagalia ba sasteni sotun bru MLA ke jirang constituency ban menteri ke sarkar jela Maria yo jeng tip alo kene ke kan at ke belami apne ginong syongshnong ha kene ke than kapot Ulong ba kumunong mi kemat ulshim kia bane kran badu menteri rang ba ke jela Konrad Kongkal Sangma ha ka bala petha ya ki deputy commissioner jong bro artli ke jela ban penbet mardor ya kini ki kenrum kenram ke bala ban keta ke syongsuk syongsan jong ki brio ha ka than kapot
Each one of you here, especially to the members of the Peace Committee from Assam side and also from Meghalaya side for reaching this conclusion on the issue that has been that has risen for the past 2 days. And as the Executive Magistrate of Ribhoi District, in the presence of also another Executive Magistrate here from Ribhoi District, and also as the BDO of Umling Sen RD Block, I'm very happy to announce that both sides, from the Assam side and from the Meghalaya side, the peace committees from both sides has decided to take a very mature decision to meet and to discuss and deliberate and come to a resolution of whatever issue that has been confronting both the sides for the past 2 days. So I would like to personally thank, not only from my side but also from the Deputy Commissioner's side and also from the Deputy Commissioner of Kamrup, also for taking the initiative for ensuring that peace and mutual coexistence is maintained. Because the people of Assam and the people of Meghalaya in this particular region have been living peacefully for a very, very long time. Since time immemorial, since history can remember. So I, again, from the very bottom of my heart, I thank you again for taking the initiative, for sitting and discussing and for coming to a mutual resolution to this issues that has been faced by both the sides. So I'm very happy to announce that this mutual peace agreement has been signed, and in fact will be signed in the presence of the respected media people and in the presence of representatives from both the sides, from the peace committee of both the sides, and just to give a short brief on what was resolved today between both the peace committees. So the agreement terms first is maintenance of peace and joint resolution of issues. So both peace committees have agreed that any issues or misunderstanding of disputes relating to the border will be discussed jointly by both the peace committees. No unilateral action shall be taken by either side without prior discussion and mutual consent. Number 2, installation of electric poles. Both sides have agreed to, number 1, that electric poles may be erected by both the Assam and Meghalaya authorities within their respective sites. And secondly, this measure is intended to ease public inconvenience due to existing electricity issues and ensure improvement of basic services for all local residents. Number 3, restoration and rewriting of signboards. So both parties have agreed that the Maikuli Village Fishery Pond signboard, as well as the MG and Rega CIB Community Information Board, which was earlier erased or damaged by miscreants, shall be rewritten and restored. And number 2, both committees will ensure that no party causes harm to official or public signboards in the future.
Nakaliang kami kumpi ng ikmat pada nakaliang bercakap dengan kuat dan kono ka jingakan angkam hakili gislong di boda kalau bijingja ke bam sisngi menne amai kuli pada menne hadu menaru nakaliang jongamat yo ke sipetip nakaliang ki senglong kume amai kuli kinong sunong amai kuli mak milayo ban yekran sigibor bahlon Shau Honorable Chief Minister, Shau Deputy Chief Minister, nangka Shau the Deputy Commissioner ke SP nakalika Polis baru ba ki kinsim ka singgam ka action ka dibandon ka ground nang ba kanumi kano ka jingakan at kano ka jingidom lang kami no ka kinja ka basungsi te kala mentasipang rangyo ka kubor ha ka ba nakilang ki ar mama kebut nakilang ki Assam bati Meghalaya kino trong ibadan harto kilaya dep ban penskem yang habide ka peace committee akaba kin saya sign nanta video jo ko umling installate nanta sete bakin sign ka peace committee namba kimum dai bandon kanu ka jin punwet habide ka area particular hate ha my police habide bakini ki signboard baki post katum ka information baki ngelayo ba mata hikit apkin kilai sim ka jin lunjur lang ba yakto ka signboard ka ba nakaliang ki don katuk ne wintit mono bale baki ladap ban ada ka rongyong ba mata ladap ban kolor ba mata kisa kilso thok biang ye katuk ka kintian ki ba nakaliang ka MG and RGA ha ba kila instruct ki ba kan kinthok ki kintian ki bala thok katum ka scheme ka bawan leng ba ka MG and RGA